Hey everybody, welcome to another episode from Pacific Arc TIG Welding. My name is Dusty. A little bit of a different episode here today. Usually on my channel, I only talk about TIG welding or welding related things. But lately, something else has been on my mind and it's time for me to throw my hat into the ring on the subject. On February 23rd, in Canada here at least, it's Anti-Bullying Day or Bullying Awareness Day. A lot of people out there show up to work, school, whatever, wearing pink shirts or whatever they got. It's a way to show your support for the subject and the day, and I'm pretty sure wearing pink is also about breast cancer as well. So whether it's bullying or breast cancer, either way, it's a good thing to rep and support. But lately on my channel, a lot of people have noticed that I've been wearing these gloves lately. These pink gloves are from Defiant metal. My friend Justin started this company and they're some of the best TIG welding gloves I've used. He sent me these pink ones and they actually are some of the most comfortable ones he makes. They fit the best and they look great on camera as well. I'm gonna be wearing these more often on my channel to show my stance against bullying, or in fact, negativity anywhere. I've been on a mission since I started my welding channel here to put a firm foot down against negativity both in the welding scene or just anywhere in general. I've been lucky enough to spread a lot of positivity with my channel so far. And I'm happy to say that even after 2.5+ years of doing this channel, I'm still having a blast doing it. Over the years, a lot of things have changed with what I'm doing here on my channel. I deal with a lot of negative comments, it's just part of the territory, but I'm able to move past this stuff pretty easy nowadays. And in doing so, I can work even harder in the welding scene to spread this message, as well as teach people how much fun this trade is. I'm gonna be working even harder at this mission over the next while here. A lot of people have come to my channel as a place where they can hang out, watch some welding, not have to deal with any drama or anything negative like that. When they just wanna chill and watch some TIG welding stuff, and they can come here, hang in a chill and positive environment while they do it. I'm gonna work even harder to provide this environment for my audience. I'm also gonna firmly stand against negativity as well as any bullying in the scene. There's too much negativity online these days, and I want this to be somewhere where somebody can come and learn about TIG welding and get into the trade, or if they just like TIG welding in general, come hang out. I'm doing everything I can in my waking hours to grow this trade. I want more people to get into it. I'm not just putting out videos for people to simply watch. I'm trying to aggressively motivate people to try this trade out if they haven't before, and perhaps they get interested in the trade and fall in love with it. If my videos can play any part in this journey for that person, that's gonna make me even happier. I want somebody to stumble across my channel and see a fun environment where people are chatting and enjoying the place I am creating here. So on the theme of doing that, today, I want to spread some positivity. To show my support for bullying awareness, I'm going to be giving away some stuff here today. First off, I'm going to be giving away a couple pairs of these gloves that I love so much. I'm also going to be giving away a bunch of cups from Edge Welding. Edge Welding cups I've been using on this channel for a couple years now. Even before I was sponsored by them, I just genuinely like their product. I've got some cups here that I'm going to ship away with the gloves. But I'm also going to be giving away a sneak peek to my merch collection that's coming up soon here. That's right, a lot of people have been asking for merchandise from my welding company here, and I'm happy to say it's finally coming. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, jump on there. This is where I'm going to be announcing this. I'm going to be dropping some dope merch coming up soon here. But for now, if you want to get a sneak peek at a shirt coming up and get one sent to your house with this stuff I just mentioned, here's what you gotta do. First off, you gotta tell somebody else about my channel. I'm trying to grow what I'm doing here, so if there's anybody that would benefit from the positivity and the stuff I'm doing on my channel here, send them my way. The second thing you gotta do, it's the same thing I ask all of the people that watch my show every week, leave a dime in the comments below. I love seeing those. It means you follow what I do here. I appreciate those. A lot of people say they can't find the dime. Search in your emojis, it's there. Or just write dime, whatever, it doesn't matter. And the third thing you gotta do, leave your Instagram handle below in the comments. This is the way I'll get a hold of you through direct message if your name is picked. Again, I wish I could have more prizes to give away because there's a lot of awesome people that support my channel. But for one lucky person, I'd be happy to send some stuff your way and hopefully make your day. So again, drop a dime in the comments below, tell a friend about what I'm doing here, and leave a way I can get in touch with you. If you roll with what I'm doing on my channel here, I cannot thank you enough. This welding channel has turned into a company and it's something I'm really passionate about. I'm extremely excited to see where it goes in the next coming years here, and I appreciate every single person that supports it along the way. Spread positivity in the world. This is all I ask. What we are doing here is for fun, and there's a lot of people out there who could benefit from the joy that they can find with this trade. So let's all do our part, spread some positivity. I appreciate everybody watching from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. For Pacific Arc TIG Welding, my name is Dusty. We will talk soon. Peace.